All right, tool lovers and weekend warriors, welcome back to Consumer Picks. Today we're dialing into precision with a roundup that's all about getting your lines laser straight, the best laser levels of 2025. Whether you're mounting cabinets, laying tile, or just want to hang a picture frame without eyeballing it like it's 2003, this list is your go-to. We tested over 25 of the top models, indoors, outdoors, dropped them on purpose, and ran accuracy checks, and found the ones that truly deliver in terms of reliability, value, and pro-level results. Links to each product featured are down in the description. So, let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 6 is the Sigmund 3x360-degree green laser level. Now, this one's definitely built for the pros or for people taking on large-scale home renovation projects. You get 3 360-degree laser lines, 1 horizontal and 2 vertical, giving you full room coverage, perfect for things like cabinet grids or full room layout planning. What stood out? Definitely the remote control feature. You can adjust laser brightness from across the room, which is a lifesaver when you're working solo in big spaces. It also self-levels within plus or minus 4 degrees, and even after our drop tests, it kept working like a champ. But why is it sitting at number 6? Well, it's pricey. Also, for most casual DIYers, it's probably overkill. Still, if you're a pro or working on a big job, this is worth a look. All right, DIY warriors and pros alike. If you're looking for a laser level that packs pro-level features, skips the hassle of disposable batteries, and brings serious visibility to your next big project, the Huepar B03 CG Pro is where it's at. This beast is our pick for the best rechargeable laser level of 2025, and once you hear what it can do, you'll know why. Let's start with power. This thing runs on an internal rechargeable battery and charges up fast with USB-C. That's right. No fumbling around with AA batteries or proprietary chargers. Just plug it into the same charger you use for your phone, and you're good to go. That alone makes it a game changer for pros who need to stay productive and mobile. But this isn't just about convenience. This level is a precision powerhouse. You get not 1, not 2, but 3 green laser lines, a 360-degree horizontal beam, and 2 full vertical beams that wrap the entire room. That means you can laser line your floors, ceilings, and walls all at once, making it perfect for big installs like cabinetry, framing, tile work, and even drop ceilings. All right, folks, now let's say you're not building a house from scratch or remodeling your kitchen. Maybe you just want straight lines for hanging shelves, a mirror, or getting that perfect gallery wall layout. You don't need a big, beefy tool. You need something simple, compact, and super reliable. That's exactly where the Bosch GLL30 Crossline laser level comes in. Our pick for the best compact laser level of 2025. This thing is about the size of a tape measure, so it's crazy portable. Throw it in your toolbox, toss it in your kitchen drawer, or keep it in your glove compartment. But don't let the size fool you. This little guy projects bright red cross lines up to 30 feet, which is more than enough for pretty much any indoor room project. Visibility is great for its class. The laser line was bright and consistent, even across light-colored walls. And the smart pendulum system not only levels automatically, but also alerts you if it's out of range. So you're never working with a crooked line without realizing it. All right, DIY warriors, let's talk outdoor visibility. Because if you've ever tried to use a red laser in bright daylight, you know it's pretty much a guessing game. That's exactly why we're loving our number 3 pick, the Huepar self-leveling green laser level. Specifically the 621 CG model. This one easily takes the crown for the best outdoor laser level in 2025. So here's the deal. The Huepar 621 CG doesn't mess around. It projects a super bright 360-degree green laser horizontally, wrapping the beam around an entire room or outdoor space, plus a 180-degree vertical line that includes 2 red plum dots for dead-on accuracy from floor to ceiling. That's seriously helpful when you're doing layouts for decks, framing, or even installing fences and hardscaping. Now the green laser isn't just a color gimmick. It's up to 4 times more visible than red lasers in bright lighting conditions. And during testing, we could clearly see the beam all the way across a sunlit backyard. Indoors, even better. Those beams pop on every surface. All right, if you're just getting into DIY or you're working on light home projects and don't want to drop $100 on a laser level, then this next one's for you. Coming in at number 2 is the Huepar 50-foot crossline laser level, our pick for the best budget option in 2025. Now let's be real, this thing isn't packed with pro-level bells and whistles, but for the price, it absolutely gets the job done. It projects a red crossline laser up to 50 feet, and the accuracy is surprisingly solid. In our testing, the lines were straight and steady enough for hanging shelves, mounting a TV, putting up pictures, and even doing some light cabinetry work. You've got a super simple control layout here. Just one button to power it on and select your mode, horizontal, vertical, or crossline, and another to lock or unlock the self-leveling feature. Heads up though, the manual isn't the most beginner-friendly. It took a bit of trial and error to understand how the self-leveling system works, but once we figured it out, it was smooth sailing from there. Coming in at number 1, and honestly it was a pretty easy call, is the Johnson Level and Tool 400921 Self-Leveling Crossline Laser Kit. This is hands down the best overall laser level we tested in 2025. If you're a serious DIYer, a home improvement enthusiast, or even a contractor doing light professional work, this thing's going to be your new best friend. Now here's the magic. It self-levels automatically, which means even if you're working on uneven ground or a slightly off-kilter surface, the tool will correct the line for you within seconds. That makes it perfect for installing things like kitchen cabinets, countertops, and doors, or even for bigger tasks like lining up crown molding or leveling your ceiling lighting across a room. The Johnson really blew us away in durability too. We dropped it, like intentionally, on every single side, and not only did it keep working, but it also kept the same level of pinpoint accuracy. No misalignment, no weird recalibration needed. That's a huge deal when you're working on high-precision projects. All right, that's our roundup of the best laser levels of 2025. Whether you're hanging art or building a second story, there's a laser here for your level. We've got all the links to these picks down in the description, so check them out, compare prices, and grab the one that fits your needs and your budget. And hey, if you want more tool breakdowns, side-by-side comparisons, and the latest product picks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.